Dun, 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 dun. We're cutting this up real quick too. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 total, 12 total little smaller units to break down. And I'll put this tub up in there, knock some weight down, not bad. I gotta strap it and go. Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day. Bright and early. I get one out bulk scrapping last night and a grill, a couple TVs that are actually pretty heavy, an air conditioner back there, treadmill, bike frame, etc, etc. It's not real full. I have an air conditioning unit and some radiators at my shop. We're gonna go get them right now. It's freezing out, guys. It's all right though. And then afterwards, I'm going to Harford County to do a big metal pickup. It's a lot of stuff. I've got to be up there in like 2 hours, so I got to get a hurry. Let's get to it, guys. It's a beautiful day. Okie dokie, guys. I will be at the storage unit in about a minute, 2 minutes. This isn't going to be a large load, but I'm going to empty my bed more or less. So then I have room to fill this thing up later. There's a decent amount of metal up in Harford County. It's like a 30-minute drive, 35-minute drive from the scrapyard. Let's get it, YouTubers, let's get it. First things first. We load up the new blade. Don't laugh at my dirty truck, please. Yeah, come take a look at this really fast. So, we got radiators to chop up. Couple, not bad. There's a little bit of stuff in there. Have a start on some copper, not much, a little bit of brass, not much. So last night I threw a pole in my truck. I seen this on the end and I was like, that's brass. I wonder if the pole's actually copper. Dun, 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 dun. We're cutting this up real quick too. I'm gonna cut all the cords off of this kind of stuff. Kind of fast actually. Load all this and fly down the yard. Copper, 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 copper. It's not 52 pounds of gutters, but it will do. Let's get it. Macaronis. I'm not going to do non-ferrous because I don't have a whole lot. Got these radiators. Them air conditions I don't have time to break up right now. I'm pressed for time, guys. It's 10 o'clock and I have to be in Harford County a half hour away by 11:30. But the scrapyard's like 20 minutes from here, the opposite direction. So I'm gonna leave the non-ferrous here and go dump this out just to steal weight. I cut all the cords off I could. I think there's like one cord left on the TV in the back I gotta get when I get down there. I really don't have time to do all that right now. So one of these noodles had one of these like spider nests. So it's winter and I figured they were gone. I want to grab it with pliers and it moved. So I flung this little spider off. And I didn't see where it landed. It's not on me, hopefully. All right, I'm just taking this now. And then we're going to get a whole bunch more metal. Let's go. Okie dokie, guys. We going to get on this scale. Get weighed for this little bale of steel. Yeah. It's only gonna be like 600 pounds or something. It's low, 6,800. It's okay. I stopped and grabbed a shopping cart and threw it on here just for weight. And brought the screw bucket too. Believe it or not, this thing's pretty heavy. I'm gonna throw all this out. There's ice on the ground today. Cold. Our screws. Don't lose my little jug for screws. Careful, careful. Alright guys, the man was asking me about catalytic converters, and I was telling him they're illegal to scrap unless you have a dealer's license. Yeah, this is like 600 pounds or less probably. Let's go get this ticket, get paid, and fly up to Harford County. We got like a full half-hour drive. Okie dokie, guys, really fast. This was short and sweet. It was actually 800. I was wrong. Times 9 cents. Everybody knows math except me. 20, 40, 65, 71, 72. For the first quick run, let's go fill this truck up and hurry up and get back down here. We're gonna turn this into more. Yeah. Everything must go, YouTube. Okie dokie, guys. I'm at the house in Harford County, Bel Air. Nice house, secluded. That's Route 24 out there, if anybody knows what area I'm talking about. They're getting rid of this. They're having an auction. There's some metal in this shedway over here. There's some metal behind the house, and there's some metal like inside, I think around the back. I'm waiting for a guy that's helping them clear the house out, clean it up really good. It's cold out. Take all the metal I can out of here. Go back to my storage unit, make one more load, and go back to the scrapyard. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm out back of the house. I'm carrying metal upstairs. there's some air conditions upstairs on the top floor, and there's stuff in their garage they want gone. I think this goes. There's a whole bunch more. There's a freezer I hope I'm taking. Freezer goes. I think I'm taking this. This stays. There's cards everywhere. Cool, I'll get that out of here for sure. Yeah, let's get it, guys. Okay, guys, real quick, this is the dehumidifier. There's my dolly. This turned into a metal and a trash load. I wasn't expecting the trash. Air conditions and metal up there, trash right here, a couple shelves. I gotta bust all this up, take it into the landfill, and then go into the scrapyard. Woo! There you go, YouTube. Check this guy out. It's called Triumph, a TRA4, I think. That's vintage. Pretty cool. Okie dokie, YouTube. We are in Birdland. That's what they call the Oriole Stadium, Birdland. Look at all them crows. There's bald eagles right there. 2 of them. I'm gonna go throw this out and fly down to my storage unit, guys. Watch out, Mr. Seagull. Okay, guys, I'm about to leave the landfill. I threw all this trash I took out, and I'll put this tub up in there. Knock some weight down, not bad. I gotta strap it and go. We're going back to the yard again, guys. There's not a lot of weight in here. I brought a trash can full of wires down here and a couple radiators, a little bit of copper, a little bit of brass. It's not a lot. And I also did a junk removal run. So financially, that's fine with me. It's been a pretty good week, as a matter of fact. And today is Wednesday. All right, let's go throw this out. Alright guys, I'm gonna throw this out and try not to get hit in the head by this tub. It's pretty heavy. It's a metal tub, but it's not real thick, so it ain't that bad. This thing is very heavy. I need a pair of snips real quick. Here's all the copper and brass. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. Make sure you get all the nails you can away from your tire. Keep this to the... Here's the trash can full of wire. It's not all the way full. It's up to about here. It's probably around $15, $16, I would guess. This thing's very heavy. Tied this off so it wouldn't fall. some more of this out and go hurry up and get to non-ferrous. I have to go pick my daughter up. I'll get some more footage when I get around there, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, that was only 680 pounds of steel. I'm getting my tickets on and doing non-ferrous real quick. Patiently waiting, YouTube. Patiently waiting. I'm next. Then I gotta drive fast as crap to get my daughter. Okie dokie, YouTube. So, that run, because I took the non-ferrous, helped. 680 pounds at 9 cents isn't much at all. It's like 60 bucks roughly. And then the non-ferrous paid off decent for that run. The radiators were like 30, the cords were 17. The house wire, Romex, that I got paid to remove was 32 bucks for a total of, that was $119.86 for all that. We got a payout of 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 81. Not bad at all, YouTube, not bad. So that's 2 runs today, 72 earlier, 181, that's 253, right? Not bad at all. Not bad. Thank you guys for watching. Everything must go. On to the next one, guys. Okay, scrappers, as soon as I got home from picking my daughter up, 2 washer dryer combos. What address? I'll be there in 10 minutes. I literally got right in the house, walked my dogs. As soon as I go to make coffee and relax, I'm right back at the door. Let's go get it. It's right up in this neighborhood over here. So I'm in these apartments. I believe that's a washer dryer right there on the back of his truck. I'm waiting to get the okay before I can get it, but yeah, let's get this. We need it. Good morning, 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 good morning. So it is a beautiful morning. Last night I went out bulk scrapping. Got a decent amount of weight on here, some really heavy TVs and stuff. I got some appliances, a few computer monitors, a metal dishwasher, washing machine, etc. At the end of my mission, my tire on my truck blew out, and it was a whole ordeal, but I got my spare one that was under my truck. So I'm gonna go empty this bed to take some weight off, and then I'm going to get some new tires. Let's get to work, scrappers. It's a beautiful morning. Real quick, guys, we're down the yard. I'm gonna cut these cords off as I go, empty this bed, and then I gotta go grab a new tire real fast. Well, yeah, we made it to the yard. There's a jack and a tire from last night. Let's get this knocked out, though. Throwing out this metal dishwasher, some TVs, a little bit of stuff. This is like a carport visor or whatever you would call it. This is a refrigerator door. This TV was so heavy. This is super heavy. Found this jack last night, and it's like seized up. I could not release this. I tried for like a half hour. This part right here, it's like locked. I messed with this for like over a half hour last night. somebody's Stairmaster. Yeah, we'll keep the strap, why not? Still a strap. Don't drop your sawzall, everybody. Yeah, this TV was ridiculously heavy. This is the good jack. We're not throwing this one out. Yeah, guys. This is what happens when you overwork like crazy. I'm cutting all the cords off of this stuff. There we go. This dishwasher or washing machine I got last night, and so the frame is disconnected from the wash basin or whatever you want to call it, and it was so difficult to get out of there in the dark. It was making a lot of noise. I had to wrestle with it for a while, put it like that. Cut the cords, of course, the wires. This thing is gone. The base is moving by itself. There we go, slide out of here, buddy. See, it fell apart. That was a pain. There's another TV. I didn't have time to cut the wires, everybody. Dehumidifier and an air conditioner, I should keep those. It doesn't make sense for me to scrap these without getting the radiator. At least I got all the cords off. All right, guys, I'm gonna go turn this in. Okay, scrappers. So it went up to 10 cents. So that should be 72 bucks. Not bad. That's one positive thing about today. Going to get new tires as soon as we get this. I already brought money for the tires, but basically I wanted to empty my bed out or I wouldn't even have came here. Just part of the job description, guys. Yeah, we just hit over 1,000. Very, very happy about that, guys. Not too long ago. 91.1% of channels do not have 1,000 subs. We are at the tire shop. Getting it fixed, guys. Take care of your vehicle. Okay, YouTube. So 720 pounds at 10 cents was a total payoff of $72, obviously. Had to stop and get tires, and now I'm going to take a look at some things and see if I can get some more appliances. Good morning, good morning. I'm at my storage unit. Have a bunch of window units, water cooler, and a dehumidifier. Bust down, get some of the radiators out. I'm gonna break a bunch of these down today and then put the outer casing back on them when I'm done and throw the whole unit as a whole at the scrapyard. Wanted to get a little bit of footage. These are all leftover from night scrapping and stuff. I just throw them in here because I don't have time to cut them all up. And you guys know there's a million screws in each one of them. I emptied the screw jug out at the last scrap run. So here's a few million in these. I'm gonna start building this guy back up. And I'll take a little bit of footage as we go. Got a very little bit of brass right now. Very little. And almost no copper whatsoever. So let's get started. And I might bust out the strip meister. Got a few of these to get the copper out of real quick while I'm here. These come from the tube televisions around the yoke, around the tube itself. These are most likely copper because they were older, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'll find out as I go. Okay guys, real fast. Cut the radiators off of both sides. And a little bit of the copper, not much. I'm gonna do that for each one. And then obviously these are supposed to get drained. I'm just gonna put the lid right back on it. Leave all the compressors. Screw the two sides to hold it together tight. Put all the like rubber and plastic that fell off in here. And then move on to the next one and stack. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 total, 12 total little smaller units to break down. And I'm gonna keep working on this pile and see how far I get. Okie dokie scrappers, real fast. I just wanted to show you guys how much progress I got. It's not so many so far, but I'm getting them out of there. I'm getting them out of there, guys. Nice little collection of copper going. Still the same amount of brass, but I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 in like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, honestly. It takes a long time. There's so many screws and all kind of little, it's all kinds of stuff you gotta get out. Screw buckets getting there, but it ain't super full. Working, guys. Scrappers. The winter season is upon us. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas to everybody. Thank you so much for watching my channel. It's at 1,025, I believe, as of right now. I believe. Yeah. I'm past 1,000. Still haven't got my Google brand account figured out, so I'm working on it. I'm sending everybody I can emails. I appreciate everybody watching my channel. Sometimes I do junk removal, sometimes I do scrap. I know people like the street scrapping better. A couple people said don't put my face up close to the camera, etc. But I appreciate every single one of you guys. We're gonna keep building. We gotta keep going to 5,000 as of right now. Thank you so much. That's how far I got so far. Decent little bucket. Little stash of radiators going. We made some progress. Not bad. Real quick, check this one out, YouTube. It's rotated under down here. I've never seen that before. This is a window air conditioning unit. That was a weird one. See how it went under? It had like an L on it. It went down and went over. And maybe it's not connected. Oh, okay. It's just a little fin. I have seen those a long time ago. I've seen a big one like this. Yeah, that's different. Something different. Okay, YouTube. Nice little pile of radiators. Not one piece of brass added to any of that. Nice bucket with a whole bunch of the heavy macaroni at the bottom. I got a mess in here. All of these are empty. Got to cut the copper and the radiators out of every single one and then put them back together. They're still pretty heavy all in all. But yeah, that took forever, guys. And the screws, yeah, I had to put a couple little extra pieces in there, but yeah, there's a million in there. Some of them I used to put back the casings on everything. So I didn't get all the copper off of here yet. I'm gonna do that a different time, but most of them I did cut the whole ends off and everything. Okay, I gotta wrap this up. Thank you guys for watching. It's freezing out here, guys. Thank you so much. Working.